Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are here to discuss about charts in MS Excel. How could we insert chart in Microsoft Excel 2013 and 2016? First of all, we have to learn about chart. Actually, what is chart and why do we insert chart into our sheets? So let's see the definition of chart. Chart is a graphical representation of data, means it is a pictorial form of our data which we inserted in form of a sheet. It is a better way to represent data or to show the trend of data in form of charts. That's why we insert charts into Microsoft Excel data. The data is represented by symbols such as bars in a bar chart. There are different type of charts in Microsoft Excel. So in bar chart, data could be represented in form of bars. And in line chart, data could be represented in form of lines. And in pie chart, there is another type in Microsoft Excel that is called pie chart. So in pie chart, data could be represented in form of slices. And we have different type of pie charts, 2D pie chart, 3D, and so on. There are some more types of charts in MS Excel, and one by one, we will apply all those charts into our different classes. Right now, we have to move towards the sheet so we can insert chart into our data. So let's move towards sheet number 1. I have already stored a sheet related to the United Software Company, and it is showing the sales of softwares, different type of software. For example, a software Windows 7 unit price is $50 and the sales tax value is given $3.50. So how could we calculate the sales tax value? In the previous class, a sales tax value is given 0.07%, and we have applied by using absolute cell address to calculate the tax value. You can see in the previous video that how could we calculate the absolute cells tax value. So right now we are here to insert graph into our Microsoft Excel data. So how could we insert data? First of all, you have to select data on which you want to insert chart. So right now I have selected these columns and rows on which I want to insert a particular chart. So after that, I have to move towards the insert tab. Like you can see, I have clicked on the insert tab and there are different options appear on the screen, and you have to move your mouse pointer towards the right side and you will find recommended chart. And just beside with the recommended chart, there are different of types of chart you can see. Line chart, bar charts, insert area charts, and so on. There are different types of charts. But right now, what should recommend by the Microsoft Excel on our data? So recommend means that Microsoft Excel recommend a particular chart type that is suits on your data. So let's see what it will show when I will click on the recommended chart option. You will see a different recommended chart is appeared on the screen. Right now, we have a clustered column chart. You can see. And after that, you can see a different values appearing, Windows 7, Microsoft Office number 2, and so on. And they are showing the trend of the data. And in the dark brown column bar, you will see the text value of that Windows 7 unit price. After that, there is another one chart, cluster chart you can see. And there is another one that is scattered chart, and other one you can see there are different recommended chart. You can select any one of them, and except those there are some more charts. Right now I am going to select this one column chart and I have clicked on the OK button. Let's see what happened. You can see a chart is inserted into your Excel sheet. You have to place a particular location to your chart. You have to select the location and adjust on the particular location. You can see the chart is displaying just beside your data, you can see. But right now there is some problems. You can see the title of the chart is not appearing. Although the remaining data is correct and data is showing in form of Windows 7 unit price in the blue color bar, you can see, and on the top there is a text value, and same Microsoft Office unit price is $30, and except $30, $2.10 is a sales tax. So it is a better way to show the unit price of the software as well as the tax is also appearing in the form of bar but different colors. So you can insert a chart like this. Right now you have to move towards the, you have to select chart, and after that move towards the add chart elements on the leftmost column just beside the file menu, and after that you have to click axis. There are two axes. Number one is called primary horizontal axis and the other one is called the vertical axis. Right now I am going to select horizontal. Horizontal means x-axis, and this is x-axis chart area, and this one is called chart title, and we can select the chart title from here. This one axis, for example, I want to insert the chart title here. For example, above the chart, right now I want to insert chart, for example, United Software Company. So I have inserted the title of the chart. Like this, you can insert the title of the chart. You can see title is appearing on the chart, and you can select from here anything you want to insert your chart. For example, chart title, you want to above display the chart title on the above of the chart, or you want to display in the centered. Anything you can select. For example, right now I have to move towards the primary title of horizontal. For example, on the x-axis, you can see x-axis. For example, I want to display, for example, price. This is the x-axis title of the chart. You can select anyone, and on the vertical side you can select the primary vertical title. Like this, you can see that box is appearing on the screen, and I want to insert the vertical chart heading, for example, softwares. Anything you can insert according to your requirement into your chart. So in this way, we can insert charts into Microsoft Excel sheet. Except those steps, there are something more regarding to the chart, and day by day, step by step, we will show in different classes that how could you insert different kinds of chart and how could you manipulate different headings related to the chart. So right now we have to finish our topic, and you have any question you can ask in the next class. So until that, I am going to signing out. Allah Hafiz.